Good morning. So I'm running into Walmart to grab some stuff. I'm gonna try decorate for Christmas soon, so I wanted to see what I can find in here. With that being said, let's get to it. So the last time you guys saw me was I was getting Christmas decor and I put up the tree and stuff. The last time you guys saw me. But my graduation is this week. Milani's recital is this week. So I have different stuff to do and I feel like I can actually put up a vlog that's interesting and not boring. But I ordered my graduation dress from Meshki. and it was supposed to come from last week. I got express shipping. It was delayed. It just came. I don't know why I ordered a white dress, and I'm supposed to be on my period. This may be TMI, but I'm supposed to be on my period. Why did I order a white dress? Or an ivory dress? Or what? Another thing, my shoes and stuff, I ordered those from Shein. It was supposed to be come, and it still haven't left China. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about the shoe situation, but I have other shoes I can wear. But anyways, the dress came. Tomorrow I'm going to do my hair and my nails. Wednesday I'm probably gonna film some content, film some video. I need to redo the table because Shein sent me some stuff for the table. But yeah, that's what we're doing this week, and I'm probably gonna film me doing my hair for graduation, and that's tomorrow. Yes ma'am, I'll see y'all later. Good morning. It's super duper early the next morning, and yes, I'm in the same clothes. I bathed already when y'all saw me last night, and I was running my mouth. So I'm here. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair for graduation. Today's goal is to get my hair and my nails or my eyelashes done. One of the two. I need to get two of them done. But I also want to talk about pet peeves. And my root is hot. I was gonna go in and re-dye my roots, but because I have to do my hair over for Jamaica and I can't have this hair color anymore, I'm not going to go through the hassle of dyeing the roots and blah blah blah. I seen a video of the hairstyle that I want. It is a ponytail. It's a 3-part ponytail with bangs. So, first pet peeve. I don't know if it's because I am getting older or I'm just having sleep issues. So ever since 2022, I've been having sleep issues. So I'll wake up in the middle of the night, anywhere from 2 a.m. to maybe 5 a.m. and then I will not be able to go to sleep. So now, before, I didn't have problems with being getting waked up, like by my phone, by my kids, by anybody. But now, since I've been having sleep issues and can't go back to sleep, I absolutely hate when people wake me up. So if you wake me up, please know if you ever wake me up, whether that's intentionally or unintentionally, you are probably on my shit list, because the middle of my hair is thick, and I need to straighten it out so I can get a smooth and seamless ponytail. Second pet peeve. If it's something that I use on a daily basis and you move it, and when I can't find it, you act like you don't know what happened to it. Stuff like that makes me want to crash out. Especially if it's something that I use on a daily basis. Yep, I will crash out. Fourth one. The fourth one is asking me dumb questions. Like, I don't care if you're trying to be sarcastic or you're trying to prove a point, or you think I should already know the answer, or any of that stuff. I absolutely hate when people ask me dumb questions, especially questions that they know the answer to, or questions that I've already answered multiple times, or just some random unnecessary stuff. It really grinds my gears, and I don't know if it's because of the way I grew up and how I was raised, but if like my family members or a teacher explained something to me one time, or even a few times, and I would ask the same thing over and over again, they used to ask me like, are you slow or are you dumb? Stuff like that. So now that I'm older and grown ass people asking me dumb stuff, it really, really grinds my gears like no other. Already put heat protectant on my hair to blow dry my hair, and I'm not worried about it because next year I'm probably going to be cutting off the majority of this hair, because I've been dyeing it and frying it for years. Next pet peeve. I have gotten to a place where my discernment for people is very much on point. So no one can come around me and I don't immediately have some idea about how they feel about me, how they view me, if they like me or not. So another pet peeve of mine is people that try to convince me that someone don't like that someone likes me that really don't like me. It grinds my gears because I have really good discernment, and when I was younger I never used to listen to my inner voice about who people are and what they're capable of doing and how they felt about me. I always give people the benefit of the doubt. And as I got older, I realized I'm not doing anything for myself, but hurting myself, trying to convince myself that people liked me that actually really didn't like me like that, or gave them the benefit of the doubt and thought that, oh, they're gonna come around sometime, they're gonna get it, they're gonna see. Yeah, that ain't me. You can't convince me to be around anybody that I feel like don't fool with me like that. Especially if I've been around them multiple times and I've got the same energy from them. I've gotten to an age where you can't pay me. No one can pay me to be around someone that really don't like me like that. And I'm gonna listen to my inner voice every single time. Another pet peeve of mine are people that are emotionally immature. So if there is an issue or you ask me a question and I give you an answer and you as a grown adult don't believe my answer, don't want to take my answer as the truth, or you want to assume whatever negativity you want to assume, then I am not going to coddle you because you're not a child. So if you ask me something and I clarify it and my clarification wasn't enough for you, you still feel some type of way, you still assume whatever negativity you want to assume, you are still essentially making it an issue, then honey, I'm gonna leave you until you get over yourself and figure it out on your own. Have some emotional intelligence. You're not a child. And once you make certain decisions, I will leave you to figure them out on your own. So I have this L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up and it's in red. Hopefully this mess works. Another pet peeve of mine are people that are extremely pessimistic about everything and every situation. After a while, that energy is draining. You're not only draining yourself, but you're draining everybody else around you. So, that's another thing. Another pet peeve of mine are people that think their honesty allows them the leverage to be assholes. You can be honest, you can be truthful without being an asshole, and that comes with emotional intelligence. I used to be one of those people that I don't give a fuck what you say. I am going to say what I have to say. And I don't care how you receive it as long as it's the truth. And then I realized that I am just being an asshole that lack emotional intelligence, trying to bring a point across to someone that's not going to receive it because I'm too busy being an ass. So whether it's truth or no truth, if you are an asshole in the way that you present that truth, the person that you want to receive it is not going to receive it. And your point is going to get lost in the transition of you being an asshole. Just an FYI. And I used to definitely be one of those people that was super blunt and super honest, and I would just say everything that comes to my mind because I didn't give a fuck about anybody and their feelings until I realized that helps nobody. Is people that think they can talk negatively to me about black women, especially single black women, black women in general. We're not going to have a debate. We're not going to have a banter. Yes, I'm able to see our mess ups and see where we go wrong and all of that stuff, but I won't allow you to disrespect black women while in my presence, basically. Objectively, not all black persons, especially black women, are good people, but for the vast majority, I'm going to say if it turned out bad, it's not because we wanted it to turn out bad, but because circumstances caused it to be bad. And that goes for black men also. So, but I'm especially sensitive when it comes on to black women and you trying to belittle, talk shit about any of that stuff in front of me. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna let that slide. And don't think because I can point out where we go wrong and what our faults are that I am a safe place for you to talk shit about black women. Like, it's never that. I know there's things that we needed to change and things that we need to take accountability for, but it's never going to be that you think that I am a safe space where you can talk shit about black women. That is a really big pet peeve of mine, because people think that because I can point out where black women go wrong or we don't hold accountability for certain stuff, that they think I am a safe space for them to unload all their frustration against black women, and I'm not that. We're damned if we do, and we're damned if we don't. So
to sum this up, I'm trying to say, me as a black woman, you can't use me as a weapon against other black women. And I see black women fall into that trap all the time, where they make other people use them as a weapon against other black women to talk mess about black women.
I'm just gonna use some Marley here. Another pet peeve of mine is people that think they can fork out whatever energy they want to other people, but other people are not supposed to do the same. We are very much grown, and if you think that as a grown individual you are allowed to just treat people however you want to treat them, and think that they should just always be the bigger person, they should always do better because they know better, you're in for a rude awakening. And especially where I am concerned, I'm very petty. Let me just say that I am going to be the bigger person all the time. You can forget it. It's never going to happen. It's like on YouTube, people will try to come for you, try to be petty, and then when you reply and say something real disrespectful, everybody is like, oh my god, you didn't have to say that. You didn't have to say that. How about they didn't have to say what they said either, but they choose to. So now that you got a reaction, you got a reaction, but it's not the reaction you were hoping for or wanted. You think I'm petty and I should have been the bigger person. I am not. Never told anybody I am the bigger person either. That's another pet peeve of mine, especially being on social media. People think that they can verbally abuse you because you have a platform and you speak on issues. But honey, I'm definitely not the one. So I had to tweak my hair a little bit because I did not like how it came out. So I did the 90s swoop. And my last and final pet peeve is people micromanaging me. I have never needed micromanaging. You can ask any of my family members, especially my mom or my grandfather. When I was a child, I was very well behaved. When I worked a 9 to 5, I was a great employee. I don't need anyone to micromanage me. But with that being said, I have my civic test today. I have to drop Melania off at school. I need to get some samples from Sephora because my graduation is tomorrow, and luckily all my stuff came yesterday right on time. Won't he do it? With that being said, here is Melania. She is just for school. Alright, we're leaving out of here. Things to do. Stress because I'm taking a test.
Mommy,
Yep.
that one's done to people.
Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna show this to them.
She got her own vitamins. Woman's one a day. Pre and probiotics. Geritol. I'm on my period, so I need the boost of iron.
Mama, is that for you? But I don't like that. This for you.
Alright, let's go. So I'm at my school. Just finished my test. Did I pass? No. But anyways, I'll worry about that some other time. So I'm at the door doing my nails because I can't do my nails Now I know why these nail techs have these bright lights on their desk. I find that anytime I do my nails in artificial lighting, I always miss a step, forget to do something. My nails don't fit sidewall to sidewall. Something just always happens. So I'm just roughing up my nails. And I find these are the only press-ons, the BRT box ones, that actually fits my nail from sidewall to sidewall. I find that a lot of press-ons, I don't know if I have big nails or wide nail beds, or I just find that a lot of them are too small for my fingers, especially my two middle fingers. Let me turn this off. I need to go get my acetone. See, so I'm finally finished. You guys probably can't see it. I'm doing my last round of drawing. So these are Melani's dresses for her recital. All her dresses are from Amazon. This was supposed to be her birthday dress. She was supposed to take pictures in them and she did not end up wearing it. But So for me, I got this gold purse. I don't know if I'm actually going to be wearing this. I got these heels right here. They're super comfortable. I like that they're low. I'm definitely in my comfort era. If it's not comfortable, your girl is not wearing it. I also got these, comfortable also. I will say that these shoes are very slidey. It doesn't have much grip on the bottom. But these are a 43. These are a 42. I get all my shoes from Shein in a 10. I wear a 9. I go a whole size bigger because their shoes to me kind of run small. I also got this heel right here. Okay. I got some dresses. I got this dress. This was a backup dress for graduation for me in case I didn't like the mesky dress. I also got this one. And then I got some clothes for Milani and Kai. So I got these cute little shirts. She wore one to school today. I got her some long sleeves, some regular tees. Because Florida is a bit chilly right now. And they will also be perfect to wear in Jamaica because Jamaica is also a bit chilly. So I got her 2 sets of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 2 sets of 6. Regular long sleeve. And then the pack with the faces come with 3. I got her some joggers. She wore one to school today. I got Kai these pants. These are supposed to be worn to my graduation. And then I got him some joggers also. He wore one to school today. This shirt, this red shirt is actually for Christmas pictures. If I get around to taking any. And then I did the same thing for him. I got him like 2 different sets of long sleeve shirts. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put their stuff, because I don't like when their school clothes is mixed with their regular clothes. They have a tendency to just wear their school clothes everywhere. Nasty top, dirty top. Just gonna stick them in this drawer while we're here. Kai and Milani won't be going to school tomorrow because it's my graduation, and my graduation is super early. And I don't want to have to go to drop them off to school and pick them back up and all that extra stuff. I just want it to be a seamless, easy day. Alright. to start steaming my stuff. I think I'm gonna wear my coach first. These earrings. Don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. Put this in my closet. So this portion of the video is brought to you by Shein. As you guys can see, I have no problem spending my own coins on Shein. All the other clothes that I got for my kids and for myself as backup dresses for my graduation are from Shein. But this portion is brought to you by Shein Home. So if you are in the process of moving, if you're in the process of decorating your home, whether that be for Christmas or the New Year's, or you're moving into a new place and you want to get new fresh stuff at a fraction of the cost, definitely check out Shein Home. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys at the end once I'm finished, because everything I'm doing is self-explanatory. I'm just doing a tablescape. So see y'all soon.
So I try to keep the tablescape super simple because I have toddlers and I don't put anything around my home that I don't feel like they can't mess up, they can't break, they can't get into, or I'm going to be mad or punish them or something. So I keep my table or Christmas decoration super simple, which is what I'm doing with this table and also how I did our Christmas tree. So with that being said, this is the end of it. Everything is from Shein Home and I'll link them down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this portion of the video, and thank you to Shein for sponsoring this portion of the video.
Hi.
Hi. Bye. So I finished doing the tablescape and I think it came out amazing. Tomorrow is my graduation.
Yeah,
so
my mommy's
I'm gonna go to
graduation.
bed. I'm gonna chill for an hour, then go to bed early because I have to wake up early.
And mommy gonna
I'll
go to
probably
graduation.
And I'll probably go live doing my makeup and stuff. But
And mommy, what are you doing?
see you tomorrow.
Bye bye. See you in the morning. Regular. Life is a
Good morning. It's graduation day. So I wanted to wake up early, get everybody breakfast, and make sure I wasn't hurrying so I could do my makeup, skincare, everything in peace. That's exactly what I did. So now it's time for my perfume. I'm gonna mix Prada, and then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of this. It's gone. I don't even have on any earrings.
Mommy,
Yes?
can I keep that?
Keep what?
That big. That she has?
Yes, I gave it to her.
You want some too?
No.
Mommy?
For her.
Mommy? That looks like an actual graduation hat.
It is an actual graduation hat.
Daddy, that actually looks kind of nice.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Mama, you're gonna be graduating.
I know, mommy. I know.
And don't forget to say the chicken wing song. It goes chicken wing.
It goes chicken wing, mommy.
Yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it. While you're over there. Mama. Mama, you have school today?
School?
Yeah.
No, I have my graduation.
Yeah. Why it's graduation? She has graduation. Mommy, you have your graduation today. Mama, you said tomorrow in the morning you have your graduation.
And it's tomorrow in the morning now.
Tomorrow in the morning you should we'll have lessons.
Tomorrow in the morning, you and Kai have school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was heading my.
And baby will have to put my shoes on. So
the certificate or academic degree to which you are entitled. In doing so, I also assign to you all the rights, privileges, prerequisites, and immunities pertaining thereto. Congratulations. These guys want the degrees pretty bad. They're already in line. All right, here we go.
Stephen Scott Mackler, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management. Jennifer Jean Lucier, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management. Michael J. Cunningham Jr., Bachelor of Applied Science, Computer Information Systems Technology. Jessica Beth Herbert, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management. Marie W. Toussaint, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management. Stephanie Garcia Feliz, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management.
By the American photographer. See, mommy?
Gavin Blaine Hayes, Bachelor of Applied Science, Computer Information Systems Technology. Kalina Ann LaBerge, Bachelor of Applied Science, Computer Information Systems Technology. Shakir, Bachelor of Applied Science, Organizational Management. Joshua Matthew Robinson, Bachelor of Applied Science, Computer Information Systems Technology.
I had a okay graduation. It's the next day. I was exhausted yesterday. I'll show some pictures that I took myself.
So if you guys know me, you'll know that I'm not a confrontational person, but I will definitely be confrontational when it's necessary. When we were coming home from my graduation, we had a disagreement about something. It was him texting and driving, and the conversation didn't go great. I left it alone. We came home. He brought it up again. It went even more left. And for me personally, I'll let you live. So if I say something multiple times and you don't listen to me, after a while I'll just be silent and just let you live your life. That's something I need to work on, but constantly repeating myself is not something that I love to do or something that I enjoy doing. So it caused a lot of rift. And this is me being vulnerable and letting y'all into my business, honey. That's why I say I have no problem spilling my own tea on social media. But this is me. This is the day after. I'm hella mad, hella pissed, to the point that I am actually crying. So it is what it is. And moreover, it's not even him texting and driving, it's the way he handled the situation after the fact, knowing that it was my graduation, knowing that it's my time to be celebrating and happy. That's what really pissed me off.
No, there you stop doing that. I don't know who sent me this, but I was having a super shitty day and I have not been able to stop crying since I got these. I can't even come on camera because I don't want anybody to see me. Anybody that knows me knows I love flowers, and this made my day. It definitely did. I'm still trying to confirm who exactly sent me this because I have no idea.